If you're looking for the perfect way to spend an unforgettable 3 days in Kuala Lumpur, you're in exactly the right place. This is not just another travel plan, it's a carefully crafted experience designed to help you explore the very best of this vibrant, multicultural city. From iconic skyscrapers and ancient temples to hidden neighborhoods and rooftop views, this itinerary blends must-see highlights with authentic local moments. Kuala Lumpur is a city of contrasts. One moment you're standing beneath futuristic towers, and the next you're walking through quiet streets filled with tradition, history, and incredible street food. It's fast-paced, colorful, and full of surprises. Over the next 3 days, you'll dive deep into everything this city has to offer. Iconic landmarks, cultural gems, nature escapes, and unforgettable food experiences. So whether you're planning your 2026 trip or just dreaming about it, this guide will help you make the most of every moment. Let's jump right in. Day 1. Exploring Kuala Lumpur's marvels, Batu Caves Adventure. There's no better way to start your Kuala Lumpur journey than with a visit to the iconic Batu Caves. This place is absolutely breathtaking. As you arrive, the first thing you'll notice is the towering golden statue of Lord Murugan, one of the tallest statues of a Hindu deity in the world. Behind it, a staircase of vibrant rainbow-colored steps leads you up into massive limestone caves. Climbing these stairs early in the morning is key. Not only will you avoid the intense heat, but you'll also beat the crowds and enjoy a much more peaceful experience. The view from the top and inside the caves is completely worth the effort. The main caves are free to enter, making this one of the best budget-friendly attractions in the city. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also explore the dark cave with a guided tour for a small fee. Just remember to dress respectfully, shoulders and knees covered, as this is an active religious site. Kampung Baru. After the energy of Batu Caves, it's time to slow things down in Kampung Baru. This neighborhood feels like stepping into a completely different world. Surrounded by modern skyscrapers, Kampung Baru preserves traditional Malay houses, local street life, and a much calmer atmosphere. Walking through these streets gives you a glimpse of what Kuala Lumpur used to look like before rapid development transformed the city. And while you're here, you absolutely have to try nasi lemak. Fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk, served with sambal, anchovies, peanuts, and egg. It's simple, flavorful, and unforgettable. Rooftop infinity pool experience. By now you've explored culture and history, so it's time to relax. Kuala Lumpur is famous for its rooftop infinity pools, offering stunning skyline views while you unwind. Whether your hotel has one or you book a day pass, this is one experience you shouldn't skip. Floating in a pool while overlooking the city's skyline is one of those travel moments that just hits differently. Petronas, Twin Towers. Next up, the symbol of Kuala Lumpur, the Petronas Twin Towers. Standing at nearly 452 meters, these towers are among the most famous buildings in the world. Once the tallest buildings on Earth, they remain the tallest twin towers ever built. Take the elevator up to the observation deck for panoramic views of the city. Sunset is the best time to visit, but tickets sell out fast, so booking ahead is essential. Even from the ground, the towers are just as impressive. It's one of those landmarks that truly lives up to the hype. KLCC Park and Symphony Lake Show. Right at the base of the towers, you'll find KLCC Park, a perfect place to relax and take in the surroundings. As night falls, don't miss the Symphony Lake Water Show. The fountains come alive with lights and music, creating a magical atmosphere right in the heart of the city. It's one of the best free experiences in Kuala Lumpur, and a perfect way to end the evening. Skybar at Traders Hotel. To wrap up your first day, head to Skybar. Located on the 33rd floor, this rooftop bar offers one of the most stunning views of the Petronas Towers at night. The city lights, the reflections, the atmosphere, it's unforgettable. Dress smart, book ahead, and enjoy a drink while taking in one of the best skyline views in Southeast Asia. Day 2. Green Oasis and Urban Wonders. Perdana Botanical Gardens. Start your second day with a peaceful escape at Perdana Botanical Gardens. This massive green space is filled with tropical plants, lakes, walking paths, and even waterfalls. It's a refreshing break from the city's fast pace. Take your time here. It's not about rushing, it's about enjoying nature right in the middle of a bustling Lasama, Masjid Jamek. Next, visit the historic Masjid Jamek, one of the oldest mosques in the city. Located where two rivers meet, this mosque features beautiful Islamic architecture with Mughal influences. Visitors are welcome outside of prayer times, and robes are provided if needed. It's peaceful, elegant, and deeply cultural. Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Dive into the city's past at Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Here, you'll find detailed models and exhibits showcasing how Kuala Lumpur evolved from a small settlement into a modern metropolis. It's a quick but insightful stop that adds context to everything you've seen so far. Healy Lounge Bar. For your second evening, experience something truly unique at Healy Lounge Bar. By day, it's a functioning helipad. By night, it transforms into one of the coolest rooftop bars in the world. Watching the sunset from an open-air helipad with 360-degree views of the city is an experience you won't forget. Day 3. Nature, Views and Culture, KL Forest Eco Park. Start your final day at KL Forest Eco Park. This is one of the oldest forest reserves in Malaysia, right in the middle of the city. Walk along canopy bridges, explore jungle trails, and experience what Kuala Lumpur looked like before modern development. It's peaceful, green, and surprisingly wild. KL Tower right next door is Menara Kuala Lumpur. While not as famous as the Petronas towers, the views from here are arguably even better. The open-air sky deck gives you a full panoramic view of the entire city skyline. If you want that perfect photo, this is the place: Chinatown and Central Market. Next, head into the vibrant streets of Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur. This area is packed with energy. Street food, markets, temples, and shops selling everything from souvenirs to local goods. Nearby, Central Market offers handcrafted items and cultural souvenirs, perfect for bringing a piece of Malaysia home with you. National Museum of Malaysia. To understand the country's story, visit National Museum of Malaysia. From ancient history to modern development, this museum gives you a complete picture of Malaysia's rich and diverse heritage. Thian Hau Temple. End your journey at the stunning Thian Hau Temple. This colorful temple, dedicated to the sea goddess Mazu, is one of the most beautiful in Southeast Asia. With its intricate design, red lanterns, and peaceful gardens, it's the perfect final stop. Final thoughts. Kuala Lumpur is a city that truly has it all. From towering skyscrapers and cultural landmarks to hidden neighborhoods and lush green spaces, every moment here feels different and unforgettable. 3 days might not be enough to see everything, but it's more than enough to fall in love with the city. If this itinerary helped you plan your trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you'd love to travel with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.